You're losing them. You're standing in front of 12 jurors who don't know about the law, who don't really want to be there, and you're trying to get them to care about your client. And the only real emotion is in your client's face, thinking to themselves, why isn't this guy telling my story right? That is a lawyer's worst nightmare. How I made the transition from professional actor to jury trial consultant. One day a good buddy of mine says, I'm doing this life skills program. And I said to him, you need some theater in there. He goes, well, would you help me? Next thing I know, I'm in a maximum security prison. That experience actually changed my life. So I get invited to do a communications workshop with a bunch of trial lawyers. What we do in the courtroom is a performance. You're using your voice, you're using your body. And if that's not a performance, I don't know what is. Communication, presentation, these guys are lawyers. Black belts in the art of communication. You're talking to your ex-lover. Why ex?
Well, that's what it says.
And boy, was I wrong. Once you look within, what do you do with it? How do you take that discovery, put it into your body, put it into your words, so you are now connecting with your jurors? Biggest mistake we can make is to somehow think standing in front of a room of 12 people that we call the jurors is a natural thing. Now I'm creating a true, raw theater experience.
Jesse doesn't just bring it to life. He gives you a medium to tell this story.
All of us have within us a greater story. When you connect to that greater story inside yourself, it's inevitable that you bring people into that greater story. That's your power, that's your passion. That's what I'm able to do. There's the story, and then there's the right story, and that's the winning story. You gotta have enough logic to win a sound argument. Law school teaches that, but you gotta have emotion to seal the deal. When the story begins, the jury wakes up.
This is something I never would have believed that I would have loved.
I'm excited about going to trial again.
This is not another seminar. This is not another boot camp. None of those programs truly reach the heart of the problem. And that's unlocking your ability to step into a much more powerful role, to motivate, move, and inspire your audience, and to win. I'm Jesse Wilson, and this is how you tell the winning story.